Did you know a woman turned into a pillar of salt because she couldn't stop looking back? Long ago, in the wicked cities of Sodom and Gomorrah, two angels rushed to warn Lot's family. God was about to destroy everything with fire from heaven at dawn. They had to run immediately and never look back, no matter what. Lot's wife didn't want to leave her beautiful home and all her friends behind. The angels literally grabbed their hands and dragged the whole family out of the city. As they ran, burning sulfur began raining down from the sky like a deadly storm. Everything behind them burst into flames, but Lot's wife just couldn't help herself. She turned around to see her city one last time. The moment she looked back, she instantly became a statue made of salt. Lot and his daughters were horrified when they realized she was gone forever. Sometimes God asks us to leave things behind, and we must obey completely. Looking back can cost us everything.